So guys, this is our trend on our GBP. So let's take a look at what EURGBP will be doing for us for the day. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, please we are new and not yet subscribed. Make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. Now, if you take a look at what markets have been doing, especially since last week, right, you can see that our prediction on EURGBP is absolutely correct. We have been predicting a bullish move since last week on our EURGBP. We have been predicting that EURGBP will give us that bullish move, and this is exactly what market did give us. It gave us the bullish move. Exactly what we predict EURGBP to do. It is exactly what market did, right? It gave us that bullish move, right? Now take a look at this. Why do we have that bullish move? It is very simple. Let's zoom it out and take a look at what market is doing. This is a key level right here, which I have highlighted. So you can see that whenever markets drop to tap the level, we tend to see a rejection from that level that will make market that will bounce up, right? Market was able to come again to tap the same level, it rejected and bounced up, right? Now, if it's to sit again, market eventually came again to retest the same level, and guess what market did? Market eventually did a bottom, which means a reversal movement. The market eventually pushed up and bounced up. Now, take a look at it right here. Markets did a double bottom, right, which eventually pushed up to break the neckline, right? Now the market has broken the neckline, it gave us a pullback, then did another double bottom, which eventually pushed up. And now this is just the pullback. This is just the pullback that market has done. So with this pullback that market has done right here, we would be expecting market to push up again. See, it is able to form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So above all, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our EURGBP. So if you are not yet in the buy on your EURGBP, going for the buy. But if you are in the buy on your EURGBP, still hold your buy position because EURGBP will still push on to your side. So if you can hold your buy for the next 3, 4, or 5 days, you are definitely going to be grabbing a lot of profits on this movement. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. Make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on your updates.